Kia ora team, it's the presenter here. We're going to have a look at some conferencing tools on the internet. That sounds pretty choice. So there are a bunch of really good online conferencing tools, like a lot. But the one I'm going to use is Skype, and that's really easy to set up. So we're going to have a look at setting up a microphone, getting the speakers ready, and then having a look at how we would set up a call. So let's get amongst it. So what we first want to do is launch Skype. Okay, and from there you'll be able to add your profile. So you can create a profile using your email address. You put in a picture, nice and easy. So now as we're looking at this, you can see that my microphone's already working. We can see the sound levels here. So that's really quite cool. A lot of devices now just have microphones built into them. But if you bring down the drop-down menu, you can select between different options. So if you had a microphone that was external to the computer, say a plug-in microphone, you'd be able to easily plug that into the side of the laptop or your device. Drop down the drop-down menu and select it. The main thing that you want to be aware of is that you want to be able to see these levels change when you talk. Alright? Now, as we go down, we can see the speakers here. And this will be adjusting the sound of the speakers. Alright? Now, you don't want them to be too quiet, because then it'll be really hard to hear. And then if you make it too loud, well then obviously it's going to be too loud. And if you're working in a work environment, say an office, loudspeakers can just disrupt everybody else. So you just want to test, okay? So let's test the audio, see what happens. Nothing seems to be happening, which means there has to be some sort of a problem, right? Well, I think it might be time to use our problem-solving skills. First thing you want to check is that your speakers are actually turned on and have sound coming through them. So as we can see, my speakers were turned right down. The volume was off. So let's pop that up. I'm going to try 42. Now let's give that a shot, eh? Let's test the audio again. Okay, let's give it a shot. Is that loud enough? Or does it need to be a bit quieter? So that's how you test the audio. So when you've got your microphone and your speakers set up, you're just going to hit next. So in the search bar, search for whoever you want to call. So I'm going to go and call the presenter, because it's always good to call yourself. Then when you've found the person that you want to call, you just hit the little phone icon, start call. Easy as that, guys. And using conferencing tools like that online, you can talk to one person, or you could set up a conference call. It's really up to you. The settings and the functionality is all there to do what you want, alright? Now, just remember that when you're making your call, make sure that you use appropriate language, okay? So, try to go easy on the slang, don't swear, just talk nice and calmly. Don't raise your voice or anything like that. Yeah, just be polite and you'll be fine. Alright? So, conferencing tools, very, very handy and really cool. Like, it's awesome to be able to see a video of someone as they're talking to you from the other side of the world. It really boggles the mind. Alright. Anyway, I've got to go and Skype some people. So, good luck, have fun, and I'll see you around. Presenter out.